Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about formatting numbers. Let me illustrate it with an example. I'm having a variable called value and it is assigned this number 3.14159. So this number has 5 decimals. But when I print this variable in the output, I just want to see the first 2 decimals, okay? I would like to see 3.14 and not the rest of it. How do we do that? To do that, I'm typing down the print function. Then I use the F keyword for the F string version of printing. Then I type down pi is approximately, then in braces, I type down the name of my variable, which is value. Then, in order to only print the first 2 decimals, I type down this part. I type down colon dot 2f. So when I run this code and I print the variable value, I see pi is approximately 3.14. If you want to see the first 3 decimals, you type down simply 3 here. So you see 3.1, 4, and 2. This is how we can use formatting numbers in Python. For example, I have another variable. It is called x and it has, like, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimals. And when I want to print this number, I simply type down the F keyword and the quotes, and then in braces, I type down the name of my variable, sorry, which is x here, and then I type down colon dot and 2f. It is going to print the first 2 decimals of my x variable here. So 12.12 is what I see in the output, and it is printing out the first 2 decimals. And if you want, for example, the 4 first decimals, you can simply type down 4 here, for example. So this is how we can do formatting numbers in Python. Thank you for watching.